Account administrators can quickly create and manage users from the LexisNexis Account Center, or LNAC. From the home page, view and manage users within your organization by clicking on the Add New Users link from the Quick Links pod. Or access the Users tab from the left navigation column. To add a new user, click the blue Add User button and complete the required fields. Select from your group list if you are organizing users by groups. Assign products to the ID manually or by using a product access template. Schedule an ID to become active. Select who will receive the email. And if the user is to have temporary access, schedule it to be suspended or deleted. To give a new user LNAC administrative rights, from this window, select the Add as Admin button and select the appropriate boxes for access. For security, an account administrator will be verified, so home address information is required. Once users have been added, it's easy to manage them from the Users tab. Perform an audit of users by using filters to narrow the list by certain criteria. Edit an existing ID by searching and selecting it. On the right, the ID can be suspended or deleted, and LNAC admin rights can be added or removed. Additional actions include adding the user as the invoice contact or resetting the user's password. Make additional changes by selecting the pencil icon on the far right of each box. Questions? Return to the home page, and from within the support box in the lower right, find the Support Center and contact options for customer support.